Welcome back, everyone, as we take a live look outside from Central Parkway Library, the Franklin Institute here in the foreground. Nice blue sky, a little bit of cloud cover, but all in all, if you've stepped outside and you were outside in previous days, it almost feels balmy. The wind has let up. The sun is still shining. It's still cold, but it's not as harsh as it's been in recent days. When we switch over and take a look at the actual air temperatures, what's nice about today is it's the warmest that it's been in recent days. We're at 27 currently, expecting maybe another 3 degrees for the high, but you don't have to factor in a wind chill for the most part across the region. So it's just not as harsh, which really makes a huge difference, right? But currently 27 at the airport. So yes, you haven't actually reached freezing. We don't expect to do that yet again today. So the cold air is still setting the stage for this very potent nor'easter to continue to intensify over the span of the next handful of hours. And then, as we say, bomb out, primarily out to sea, but it's very likely to bring upwards of a couple of feet of snow in places like New England. Here locally, not quite so much right now. Looking at storm scan, though, a little bit tighter zoom on that storm. A lot of moisture packed up with this, and it is snowing in southeastern South Carolina and Georgia. They're just not all that used to it there, and this is going to be an impact up and down the entire eastern seaboard. It's pretty rare that you see winter storm warnings as far south as Florida and then right up the coast. These red shaded areas are actually blizzard warnings for parts of the Cape in Massachusetts and then also down East Maine. So everyone is getting an impact from this, but you're really going to see the brunt of this in Atlantic Canada and certainly in New England. Meanwhile, let's talk about how this is going to impact us one more time. Bring it back locally. So here is one model's interpretation of how it's all going to shake out. Later tonight, maybe as early as 8 o'clock this evening, in fact, some snow or possibly even a little icing initially at the onset, but it's primarily a snow producer. Will start to move in. Through the overnight, though, this spreads in. And as this is rotating past us, it's all about how far inland this gets as to how much snow we'll end up seeing, if any at all, even in some of the north and westmost counties. So again, track is everything. And because it continues to be tricky, we are fine tuning with every passing model run, every passing hour, and you'll want to check back with us again. But the snow, regardless, it moves in tonight. The heaviest snow will be at the shore, and with an Arctic blast and very strong winds that definitely come as the storm is strengthening and through in the wake of the storm's passage, we are going to feel some really harsh wind chills as a result. So I'm taking you all the way to Friday afternoon when things are feeling incredibly brutal. This may be the best we get on Friday. At best, maybe 1 or 2 degrees for a feels like value. That's the best you get through the day. So most of the day you'll spend below zero for feels like values, factoring in those winds that could peak as high as 35 miles per hour, give or take. So it really will be harsh. Again, these are the numbers you're going to need to go by through the entire upcoming weekend. Records aside, heck, it looks as though Saturday will still be just as harsh, and certainly overnight into Sunday, same idea here. So there's just not much relief anytime soon. Here's a list format of who gets what. One more time, this could change very easily. Given the latest guidance, things are starting to look like they may shift a little bit, but we are going to hold on to these numbers at least for now. 4 to 6 inches, the expectation both in southern Delaware and at the Jersey shoreline. Lesser totals as you go further and further inland here. And there may again be a winter weather advisory that does get issued for Philadelphia. Right now, you don't have one. At the Boardwalk Plaza in Rehoboth, a generally clear sky. You do still have a couple of clouds. Those are starting to build in. A sign, obviously, of things yet to come. And as we look forward, coldest days, obvious, coming on Friday and especially Saturday. But the bright spot. Take a deep breath. Look ahead to Monday and Tuesday, my friends. We finally not only exceed freezing, but we're in the 40s. Doesn't that sound like shorts and flip-flops weather?